friends, today we're going to work on using a number line and standard addition. You are then going to decide which one is best for you. Do you like the number line or do you like standard addition for two-digit addition? So let's use a number line. I have 53 plus 45. The first thing that I'm going to do is pick the biggest number. 53 is the biggest number. So I'm going to write down 53. The next thing that we're going to do is use our skip counting by tens and ones to help us. We want 45. So I'm going to start by counting by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. These are my big jumps. Big jumps go up by tens. So I have 40 and 4 jumps. Now I need 5. We're going to do tiny jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we can see here that the 4 is the tens and the 5 are the ones. So we have 4 10 jumps and 5 little 1 jumps plus 5. So let's count. Let's count up by tens. 53, 63, comes next. 73, 83, 93. 93 plus little jumps, let's see, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98. Woohoo! 98 is my answer. Let's see what our standard algorithm would look like. We would do 3 plus 5, 5 in my head, count up 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. We always start in the ones. And then we have 5 plus 4, 5 in my head, plus 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 98. I got the same answer for both of these problems. The only difference is I used a number line for the first one and I did standard algorithm for the second one. Let's try another problem. Now this one we're going to use regrouping in our standard form. So 27 plus 29. I'm going to pick the biggest number first, 29. And then I'm going to do my skip counting until I get to 27. Here's my tens and here's my ones. I'm going to need 2 10 jumps and 7 little 1 jumps. So let's do 10, 20 plus 10 plus 10 and 7 1 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And let's see what we get for an answer. So 29 plus 10 is 39 plus 10 is 49. Now I'm going to count these little 7 ones. So 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. Woohoo! My answer is 56. Now I'm going to try standard form here. 29 plus 27. 9 plus 7, I'm going to put 9 in my head, and I'm going to add 7. So let's see, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Whoa, 16. I'm going to put my ones down, and I'm going to put my tens next door. Now I'm going to do 1 plus 2, 2 in my head, plus 1, 2, 3. So now I have 3. And 3 plus 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at that, we got the same answer. Okay, so I want you to think when you're practicing the next couple of questions, do you want to use your number line and skip counting, or do you want to use standard form? Okay, pick the best one. You can always show your work on a separate sheet of paper. See you soon.